How to fix Verizon Fios TV remote not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to fix your remote not working. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So in order to fix that, we can troubleshoot or program our Fios TV remote control. To do that, you need to verify that both of your TV and your set-top box are currently on and you are able to watch live TV. And then go ahead and press and hold the OK and Fios TV buttons together at the same time for about 5 seconds and release the two buttons at the same time. And remember that the red light at the top of the Fios TV remote control will blink 2 times and then stay solid. So remember that. After that, press and hold the play button until the TV turns off and then release the play button immediately. And then press and hold the OK and Fios TV buttons together at the same time for 5 seconds and release the two buttons at the same time. Again, remember that the red LED light at the top of the Fios TV remote control will blink 2 times and then stay solid. And then go ahead and press and hold the play button until the TV turns off and then release the play button immediately. And the red LED light blinks each time a new code is being tested. And some TVs may respond slower than others. If necessary, you can press the CH plus and CH minus buttons to go forward or backward 1 TV code at a time. So that is it. You can follow up this method in order to troubleshoot and program your Fios TV remote control and fix the issue of it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.